that are using mobile phone, just have to go to Play Store or App Store, download Canva, just the way it's spelled, Canva, right? You're going to see Canva. For those people using laptop like mine, the moment you go to canva.com, you get to see something like this interface, which is beautiful. If you look at my left-hand side here, you're going to see different kind of icon. It talks about create, the home, the projects, the templates, brands, Canva AI, and apps. But we are not going to be doing much on going through all this because I already have a document set out for this that explain every tools that we have on Canva. Now, if you go click on icon here that says create, right? This create here give us type of design that we can go for. Now, if you click on create an icon, right, you can get to see different sets of icons here that we can work with. We have for you just simply shows you the design that they think that works with you. They suggest design for you. But now, if we want to go to something, I want us to be able to see something here. Now, for example, we are on summertime. I will feel like we want to do a design that goes for summer. We have no idea of how we want to design it. We are a beginner. We have no idea on how to go about this design. Simple thing we can do is just to search for some templates on Canva that has already been done. And we can simply just do that by just searching for. If you go to our template here, you can simply just search for what we need. As you can see here, without me searching out already, I can see different designs. But there's something there, right? There is one of Pro, there is one that is free. And if you look at this particular design I'm on right now, you can see that it's a Pro design, which means it's not free. You have to pay for Canva to be able to access this design. But we are going for something that is free that we can just manipulate and use, right? So now, for example, if you look at this one that says Hello Summer, let me click on it. Basically, it's a free design. And now you just have text on it and then with a picture. I'm going to show you that. So we have this design here. And here it tells us that we can customize this template. It's a template. They have done a design. They have given us a sample of what they think suits us. But at the same time, we can adjust to what we want. But the main reason here is that it gives us an idea of what we want to create. If you're not satisfied with that, at the same time, look around to what we can do. Now, for example, now I have another one here that says, you are welcome to summer party. So I think I prefer this one because this one have more kind of text that I can use. There's a smaller text, there's a bold text, and there is this particular address of a thing. So I can start to go with this one, and I can just click on customize this template. Clicking on it right now will load up the Canva inside my Canva. All right. So now, for example, now there's something that's always get confused about. Canva is an app, but basically where we design our design, that space, this space that's called design environment, is called Canva itself. So I guess Canva app come up with the idea of naming their app Canva because Canva is something that everybody will be able to recognize and remember that, oh, Canva. So, I want to use Canva. I guess that is why they come up with that name. So don't get twisted. Canva is the app, and at the same time, this area where we're designing is called Canva. All right. So, yeah. So, for example, now, here on my left-hand side again, I can be able to see some tools like the element, the text, the brand, upload. So I'm going to show you some stuff. Then I adjust this and we round up, right? So now, looking at this here, this one says, you are welcome to summer party. Now, for example, I don't want to have summer party. I want to have like a summer training, right? Or summer coaching, something like that. So I want to edit it. I can double click on it. Now it gives me a chance to modify it, meaning to edit it. So I can remove the party away. If I think summer is okay for me, fine. If I think I want to add more to it, or I want to even remove the summer completely and type something different there, I can easily do that. So now summer, right? I want to say summer coaching. But now, as you can see it here, there is a difference because now it's taking 3 lines and we feel like we want to use just 2 lines. We can adjust it by simply just trying to adjust this text, or probably you can just come over here. Let's try and adjust it. So then we move the particular element back. Now there's something that is very, very important. We call it alignment. All right, alignment. Now, for example, you can see that now, like there's something here. The moment I move I drag this particular element, this text that we see here is called elements. Everything that we put in our design, they are called elements. So right now, I can say I have 4 elements here. The background is an element. This first text is also an element. This is an element, and as well, this is an element. Here I have 3 text elements, and I have 1 background element. All right, so they are all elements. But now this is just 3 text elements. So if I start, so this thing I'm telling you is just for you to understand the terms that we use in graphics. So it's not about text, it's an element. All right. So now, here now when I move this element, we see something that there's a guide, a line that guides us. A line at the top, from top down, from left to the right, right? Now, this is a guideline to give us a margin, alignment. This thing we have been taught in school, whenever we are writing our notes, always give a margin in your notes, always do this. It happens in real life. Everything we are doing needs to work, needs to be organized, needs to be aligned. If not, design will not look nice. So basically, here you can see that here now there's a line guiding my footstep, the way I move my elements around. And here I have it aligned in the center with my design, with my background, right? Summer coaching. So here I'm going to change this one to welcome. Welcome to summer coaching, right? So basically, definitely it's going to be EpeeTech solution, right? So now this is basically thing like basic thing, text editing, right? Or let's say text modifying. Now, if you look at something here again, if I click on this element here, I right click on it. This thing I'm doing right now on mobile, you might not be able to achieve it, but I will tell you how you can do it as well. Now, so here now I can decide to rearrange it so that it's going to be left, or probably I want it to be aligned to the center, to the right, to the top, to the bottom, right? So, but right now I want it to be center, so I can simply click on center. That will do the magic for me. Instead of me dragging it up and down to be sure, I can simply just right click here and go to align page, and I can decide to go to where I want it to fit in. All right. So now, aside from that, at the same time, let's go to this particular place called elements. This element here, I can try to create shapes here. I can try to create frame or something. Let's just bring a text here. Let's bring a shape here. Now, when I click on this particular rectangle, it's pop up here for me, and I can drag it around, and I can as well adjust it. So what I want to do is welcome to summer coaching 2025, right? So I'm going to drag this one downward a little bit and bring this one here. Okay, bring this one here now. Just try to adjust it better. So here as well is centered, and I want to write something on it. 25. I come to my text. I want a bold text this time around, so I click on the heading to give me a bold text. So this one will be 2025. And like at the same time, I can just drag it down. I have something here. Okay. So I can start to change the color, right, to something that I want. I can simply just do that by, when I click on this element here, I can see the text here. There's the text color. Clicking on it here now, I can decide to choose the color I prefer. All right. So this time around, I'm going to prefer to go for black. Then I will change the rectangle to something white, so the color can complement each other. Everything here is all white, white, white. So I want to try and balance it up so it won't be like, too white. So that's the goal here. So I'm going to try to make the background rectangle to be more of white instead. So here I can see the color as well. To change the color, I can click on this, go to white if I want to go to white. And if I want to go to gradient color, gradient simply means having 2 colors, using 2 colors, or more than 2 colors instead of using 1 color. But today you're not trying to complete, you're not trying to make the color more kind of complex, just 1 color right now. So here I have it as white. If I'm satisfied with that, I go with it. Now at the same time, if I can see it here, I can see that the rectangle I use has a curved edge. I can adjust that. If I don't want that, I can simply just do that by going to this corner here. I can see corner rounding. I can try to reduce it or increase it more where you want it. So I would prefer not too much. Probably 20 is okay. I can try to put the value here 20. All right. Now the size. We have rectangle shape, we have triangle shape, we have pentagon. I can try to change the shape of my elements to whether 18 shapes, 15 shapes, 15 angles, 13 angles, 10 angles, anyone you fit. But right now I'm using 4. 4 is what I want, so I select 4. Basically, this is just how to go around with Canva. So once I'm done like this, I can simply just say, okay, I want to readjust my layer. Now, when I click here, I can see show layers. Now I can see it here. I can have all my layers here. Everything I've been dropping, which is called elements, they are also layers. They have their own layers, just like, we are dropping something on each other. Now, we can see that the rectangle I create here is under 25. If I bring this rectangle up here, it will cover 25. I won't see it again. So that means layer matters. The way you arrange your layers matters. So this one needs to come down under 25 to give me the best. And you can see the background here as well, right? If I drag anything under it, it won't show, right? So basically, arrangement of layers also matters. So here we have it here, and I'm simply just going to do one last thing here. How can I upload image that I want to use in my design into my Canva? Here I have upload. Here are the things I've uploaded in the past. And if you want to upload either image, video, or audio, you see your upload file. Click on it. It takes you to your gallery, right? It takes you to your gallery. And from there, you can select any elements, any images, any video, any audio you want to import. This one, I want to import it. I'll just click on open, and it's going to load. It's loading here. Still waiting for it to complete. Once it's done, I can easily use it in my Canva. Now I have it, it's done. I can click on it. Automatically, it shows inside my Canva. But I'm not using it. I just to give you an example how you can import an image into your Canva if you want to use it. So right now, I'm going to delete it away. So fine. So that is all. And if I want to save it, right, I can simply just click on share. From share, I can see download. So from there, I can download as a PNG file. Then download this. Automatically, it's going to download, and I will have it inside my gallery, right? As laptop, I will have it inside my Explorer folder. So here I have it here now. If I click here, I should see the download of what we just did right now. I just have welcome to Summer Coaching 2025 EpeeTech Solution.